Hey guys, happy to be going over the slide design project here. And so I chose an advertisement for Babolat. And so Babolat is a maker of tennis rackets. And so here's one of the rackets in their advertisement right here. And this is Rafael Nadal, the one who's swinging it. And he's one of the top tennis players in the world. And so there's a lot of different aspects to this ad. And we'll be kind of going over it as we just go into the various design elements, and then I'll show you my design and how it replicates these aspects as well. So just taking a closer look. So the overall design, everything points to the text, which advertises the best tennis rackets available. So the advertisement does its best to back up the statement, and so you have one of the top tennis players in the world. He's hitting with it. And you have the racket that is pretty prominently displayed as well. And so the typography, it's pretty bold and it's white as well, which was kind of different from the dark background that you have here. So the white really stands out against it. And everything really leads to this text. So you have it's over the face of this player, and so if your eye starts here, it'll go to the text. If it goes to the racket, those lines will lead you to the text. So everything is designed to get you to look at that and understand the message of this advertisement. So if we look here, the B's are also the same font as Babolat. So they did some interesting typography there, which I thought was pretty cool because even if you're taking a quick glance at the message, you're going to notice that the B's are the same as Babolat if you have any familiarity with the brand. And so the colors, he's wearing a bold, solid color. The background is a dark background. It's kind of a uniform background. It allows you to really see the forefront of the advertisement, which is Rafael Nadal, and the message and the racket. And the rackets are yellow. That's kind of the brand, is they're yellow and black. So it definitely has them stand out, especially against the dark background. So everything was kind of made so that you would see the advertisement in the front. And so now we'll take a look at the new advertisement that I made. And so we'll go into the various aspects of this here. So again, you have Rafael Nadal, and this time he has a different background. It's kind of a bluish background, which is a little different from the dark background that was originally there, but I decided that the uniformity of it was what was important, and having a solid blue background doesn't take away from the message and having that be at the forefront here. So again, the typography, I was able to find the Babolat typography for that and insert that for the B's. And it has the same bold typography as the first one. And it also overlaps its face, and it's really at the forefront of the message here. And again, everything is leading to this. You have the lines that all lead to that font and that text. And so the colors, it's, as I talked about before, the colors are, it's bluish in the background, and it has the bold yellow of the racket as well. And his shirt is again one color, and so it also, I thought it'd be good if the shirt also matched the text, so you can have kind of that replicated in the text and the shirt. And so this is my project. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope I was able to demonstrate the various aspects of the similarities of the design elements in there. So thanks for being in this class with me. It was fun to get to learn design a lot more, and I'll definitely be using the tools that I took away from this class in my everyday life.